Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel InfoZone. Hope all of you will be fine. I'm here with a new informative video for you. In this video I have 25 phrases that teacher must use in the class. Hello everybody, good morning. How are you all? How are you all? Hi Miss Annie, your English teacher. I have called for lessons with you every week. I hope you are ready for today's lesson. It's time to begin our lesson, so stop talking. Pay attention everybody. Now open your textbooks and move to the page number 9. Hold pencils in your hands. Now we'll go to the next page. Turn the page now. Now come to the whiteboard and solve it. Tim, why were you absent yesterday? Whose turn is now? Stand by your desk and read. Let me explain this topic. You have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now make the groups of 3 and do this activity as a team. Why haven't you done your work today? Does everybody have their lunch? Please raise your hand if you have any question. Who is going to answer me this question? Much better. I am more pleased that you are improving. It's time to wind up the class. Otherwise, you will be late for your next class. We have just few minutes left. Do this exercise at home. I'll check it tomorrow. We are now out of time, so we shall continue this lesson in next class. What did you find interesting in today's lesson? Goodbye. Have a nice day. If you like this video, give it a thumb up and drop your valuable suggestion in the comment section below so we may bring better content for you. Thanks for watching.